Hannah here. I did 5 small DIYs that anyone can do to kind of jazz up some holiday decor. As a DIYer, you tend to have certain supplies in inventory, like a glue gun, some spray paint, and that's what I'm kind of going to be focusing on today. When you see my before pics, just keep in mind that I'm working a full-time job and I'm flipping furniture on the weekends. So I don't have a lot of time to focus on certain things. And then I guess when I see my decor, I'm like, I need to do something about it. But I really want to like make it look really nice so I don't just do something fast. So it looks quite plain and minimalist. Well, this is the before. I told you I was a minimalist. I started by spray painting some pine cones and some like dollar store pieces that I got that I thought would help, be the added little touches to what I'm doing. And I'm just going to spray it this aged metallic gold. I'm using 3 different types of spray paint, but the first one is the aged gold that kind of frosted up with gold. Most of my things will be like a gold and white kind of look. Ventilation is very important for spray painting. Having a few wrap presents is so cute and adorable. I got some gold wrapping paper and I'm going to wrap these little boxes. Everyone has extra boxes laying around. If I was a better wrapper, I would actually show myself wrapping it, but we all kind of know how to wrap presents. On a previous video, I did some candle making, and this is a dollar store candle that I made, and it was really small and cheap, and I just wanted to put that in this centerpiece of the coffee table as far as the holiday decor. And the last piece is from my Temu unboxing, which I haven't posted just yet, but I got this vase for under $10, and I knew it would be nice and good quality. And please stand by for the before look and the after look. I used some of the pine cones, the present, and the candle. And then you can get branches from outside. I did buy my branches off of Amazon, but branches are everywhere. So this is one of my favorite looks. Can you imagine walking past this entryway ledge every day? Oh, it drove me crazy. But I finally got some ideas together to redo this. I started with some candles that I had that I wasn't really using. And so I had spray painted those white. I bought this little cute tree thing from Michael's. The tag says $12, but I got 60% off. It was 60% off of everything. And so I thought it would be cute and a little festive to have a tree around. And that's when I started my white spray paint. And you can see my other projects are drying. I mean, if you bought something like this, of course you can spray it whatever color you want. I just was going for a white and gold look for like everything that I was doing. So it takes about an hour or so to dry. It don't take long to dry, but whenever I did pick it up, it was after that time. And now I plugged in my glue gun and I bought these little ornament things at Michael's also. They probably cost me close to $3 with the 60% off. And I had an idea to just kind of glue them onto the tree. And I was going to use wood glue. I could have used wood glue. It is wood, the branches, and I was going to use this other type of glue that I use, my fabric glue. But I was like, you know what? The glue gun, this is what it's for crafts. And the glue gun, the best thing about that is that it kind of holds in place a lot faster. Like normally other things need to have something holding it down and making it stay put. But with the glue gun, somehow it just kind of holds in place a lot faster and a lot better. But I didn't take that for granted. I still laid it down. I still glued everything to one side, and I gave that time to dry. And then, you know, maybe an hour later or so, I came back to glue a different part of it. They did have some that were different colors. They had some that were like colorful and more Christmas colors. They had some that were just gold and or just silver. So this is just an option that I decided because I'm going for that gold and white look for like everything. I have these extra little tea lit candles that I bought for an event, and they're green and they're cute and everything, but it's just not my color. And so I thought this would be an extra touch. Um, and so I sprayed them with a different type of gold, and this gold is definitely like a 14 karat gold look. Looks like a peanut butter cup right there. Okay, stand by for the before and after looks. This is a reminder of what my ledge was looking like. And this is what it looks like now with the candles, the tree, a few of the presents, and the vase. The gold vase is something that I did a few weeks ago when I did some gold leafing decorations. Now the third piece is my console. This is a recent photo of it that I have. I think they were two different ones, but now I did spray paint the other lantern white because I was doing some things in white and I just did it all together. But this particular one I wanted to be in gold. And so I have to get the glass out before I start, which can be a little tricky. And because it's spray paint, I decided not to put the glass back in it. And using spray paint with something that you have to light a candle with is kind of like at your own risk. But I let mine fully dry and I did not put the glass back on it so it can have some ventilation. And I love this gold look. This is not the aged gold. This is just gold gold. I love it because it just looks like solid gold. Okay, this is a picture frame that I got off of Michael's. I probably spent about $5 on it. It's just a simple little picture frame because sometimes it's good to have something up that's different and not just a vase and little things. So I bought this picture frame. I normally would have taken the, removed the frame from the piece so that I could actually change it up without causing a mess. So I am going to do some gold leafing. I'm not going into detail about too much of the gold leafing because I'm just giving ideas at this particular video. I did do some gold leafing for the first time on another video. Um, This is just basically giving people ideas of what to do and how to do the gold leafing. And so like the picture frame is stapled to the photo, so I can't separate them, but I said let me just put a little bit of gold on it because the edges is a little plain and I just want it to be really sparkly and just shiny and stuff. If you have like a frame, which we all tend to have frames around, and you have access to a printer, you can also print out something cool, put it in the frame. I do have a lot of stuff like that that I print out and I put in the frame and, jazz up the frame a little bit or something. And that would be great too. Now this is a candle from my candle making video that's up. I actually bought these pieces. This one I got off of Amazon. I did pay $20 for it, but it's just the vessel I thought was really cute and unique to make a candle with. Please stand by, and this is a reminder of what my console was like previously. And this is what it looks like now. I did get the lights for just a few dollars at Michael's, and I used the present and candles that I already had up there. And I did change, what's in the vase a little bit. And so I really, really like this look for myself. I did pull out other things that I already had that kind of matched. I had tall candles and things like that. So hopefully my videos inspire you to do some things for yourself. Something small, simple, start off, maybe just spray painting things, gluing things, get some inspiration to do some of your own decor. It just feels good. So please like, subscribe to my page, and thank you so much for watching.